Hey, what is up guys, PMHK here. So for the past week I've been busy painting my room, and I kind of forgot that you guys also need a dose of PMHK, not only the room. So I just kicked my camera. So I have in my possession right now two iPhones. My iPhone, the iPhone 8, the iPhone 10, not the iPhone 8, and an iPhone 8. So let's see which one, in case you guys were wanting to get an iPhone, which one should you get. So the smaller one is the iPhone 8. Actually, they quite the same size if I had to compare, just that the iPhone 10 is a bit more bulkier than the iPhone 8. So the iPhone 8 comes with a 12 megapixel camera. For those who like taking pictures, it only comes one camera, 12 megapixel camera. It still has the retina display, and it comes with a Touch ID, which is the new generation Touch ID, which the one that does not click. So if you've been using the iPhone 6, the button on the sky is not like the iPhone 6, which I have somewhere there. The button here doesn't really click. So come to the HD camera in front as well as a 1080 resolution if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so this guy here comes also in a 64 and a 256 gig options, and that's the only option actually Apple is selling right now. So in terms of the body has similar buttons. It has the power button over here, it has the volume up, rock button, up and down button, and the mute button on the side. Now in terms of prices, the iPhone 8 is the cheaper one. The iPhone 8 starts at the price of, if I'm not mistaken, 14,000 rand. That's the starting price, and it goes up to 18 for obviously the bigger brother of this guy, which is the iPhone 8 Plus. So on the other hand, we have the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 comes with a 5.8 inch display, which is an LED display. It's capable of HDR and is also capable of True Tone. True Tone is the technology that Apple came with. I don't know if other devices also have, which allows the screen to take the temperature or to adapt to the color temperature of the room in which the iPhone is. So the iPhone 10 comes with two cameras, one wide angle and the other one is a telephoto, and they both are 12 megapixel. In terms of the body of the phone, the iPhone 10 as well as the iPhone 8 supports wireless charging. That's why both phones come with a glass back, and it has a metal bezel metal around it, and it also comes with the Face ID, which is Apple's version of facial recognition. It works pretty well, but it only kind of gives me problems when I'm in the sun or when I'm in bed trying to unlock my phone. Normally when I'm in bed trying to unlock my phone, I always use my password just to avoid me fidgeting with the phone while I am sleepy for me to unlock the phone. So this guy comes in two colors. You have the white, which is the one I have, and you have the space gray or the black version, and this guy will cost you from 20,000 rand. So if you have limited funds obviously and still enjoy new features on the phone, like this phone still has the wireless charging, which is a new features on the iPhone. Actually Android have been having this for decades now. I exaggerate. And still want to feel like you're using an iPhone 6, because even the size, it's still like the iPhone 6, and you're not willing to pay the 20,000 rand price which is the iPhone 8, iPhone 10 has. I'd say you go with the iPhone 8 and you're still getting pretty much everything or almost everything that the latest and greatest of the iPhone line would give you. But if you're like me and you like things, obviously, and you are kind of a tech enthusiast and I want to experience the all screen phone. Obviously we have a little bezel up there, but it doesn't really bother me. And also you want a phone with wireless charging, which also this guy has, and obviously the IP67 water and dust resistance, which even the iPhone 8 has. So even if you still pick this guy, you're still gonna get a couple of new features. But if you want the best on the latest and you want to have the top notch, you can go and get the iPhone 10. And the sun is back out. So that's gonna be it for this video. I personally picked the iPhone 10 because obviously I'm a tech enthusiast and I wanted to experience what Apple had to offer and their new device. This is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions on these two guys, make sure you drop them in the comments down below, and don't make sure you are actually subscribed to the channel for new videos. I make videos every week, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and I will catch you guys on the next one. If you actually noticed, I am tired of painting this room. I think this will be it.